Is it the right time to buy or sell SPY ETF? In this video, we'll be delving deep into SPY. Our preliminary report was released on our website on Wednesday, December 27, 2023, and now we're back to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. To stay updated on our latest analysis and not miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments, be sure to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 2, 2023, our system has identified SPY as a promising investment opportunity, giving it a strong score of 4.95. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. If you had followed our analysis and invested in SPY 38 days ago, you would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 10.65%. This translates to an average daily return of 0.28% since it was designated as a buy candidate. The ETF is currently experiencing a strong upward trend in the short term, indicating that it may continue to rise. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a potential 13.07% change over the next 3 months. This could result in a return between 6.23% and 14.96%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected 15.95% change over the next year. This suggests a potential return between 2.59% and 18.14%. In terms of price, this could mean a range of $488.87 to $563.01 after 1 year. Our latest update for SPY brings the headline, Weaker Technical Forecast for SPY as ETF Downgraded to Buy Candidate. The SPY ETF price rose by 0.189% on the last trading day, Wednesday, December 27, 2023. It went from $475.65 to $476.55, marking its 4th consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to see if it continues to rise or takes a brief pause over the next few days. On the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated between a low of $474.89 and a high of $476.66, showing a 0.373% variation. In the past 10 days, the price has risen in 8 instances, resulting in a 2.68% increase over the past 2 weeks. Volume also increased on the last day, along with the price, which is a positive technical sign. A total of 3 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with a total of 58 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $27.56 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $476.66, while the lowest price was $376.42. Currently, the price is 0.02% or $0.110 below the 52-week high and 0.71% or $3.43 below the all-time high on January 4, 2022, when the price reached $479.98. Today, we'll be discussing the signals for SPY. The chart shows mostly positive signals for the SPY ETF. Both short and long-term moving averages indicate a buy signal, suggesting a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these two signals confirms a general buy signal, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. If the stock experiences a downward correction, it will find support at $473.37 and $457.80. However, a breakdown below these levels will trigger sell signals. On Friday, October 27, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 16.04%. The upward trend is expected to continue until a new top pivot is identified. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also indicates a buy signal. The volume is increasing along with the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. Turning our attention to the long-term chart, the ETF had a golden star signal on Monday, March 27, 2023. This rare combination occurs when the short-term moving average, long-term moving average, and price line intersect in a special way. Historically, it has led to significant and prolonged gains for the ETF. Today, I'll be sharing some interesting signals with you. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence, which is currently showing a buy signal. Another signal worth noting is the pivots indicator, which indicated a buy signal 42 days ago. The Bollinger Bands are also indicating a buy signal 6 days ago. However, the short-term moving average showed a sell signal 6 days ago. On the other hand, the long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 39 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 36 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart for more insights. The short moving average showed a buy signal 39 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 33 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages also showed a buy signal 22 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals and information. Today, we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop loss for the SPY ETF. Let's start by looking at the support level for SPY. Currently, there is strong support at $469.33, which means that this price level may present a good buying opportunity. When a stock support level is being tested, we can expect an upwards reaction in its price. Now, let's talk about the risk involved in trading the SPY ETF. Overall, the ETF tends to have controlled movements and offers good liquidity. This means that the risk associated with trading this stock is considered very low. When it comes to volatility, the SPY ETF has shown a daily average volatility of 0.86% over the past week. This gives us an idea of how much the price of the ETF can fluctuate on a daily basis. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for SPY. When analyzing the stock, we notice that there's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above. This suggests that if the right conditions are met, the stock could experience a swift upward movement. In such a scenario, it might be a good idea to enter a position and use volume indicators to determine the best time to exit. On the downside, SPY encounters its first support level at $469.33. If this support level holds, it could present a great entry point for traders, anticipating a rebound in the stock's price. For this ETF, we recommend setting the stop loss at $460.06, which represents a decrease of 3.46%. This particular ETF has relatively low daily movements, which translates to lower risk for investors. However, it's important to note that the RSI 14 stands at 77, indicating a substantial increase in risk. We also have a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was identified 41 days ago. Is the SPY ETF a good investment? Based on our analysis, there are several positive short-term signals and an overall positive trend. This suggests that there may be a buying opportunity for the SPY ETF. However, we have slightly downgraded our previous strong buy recommendation to a buy candidate due to some minor technical weaknesses we have observed. Looking at the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, December 28, we expect the SPY ETF to open down by $0.517 and start trading at $476.03. Before we proceed, it's important to note that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Remember, StockInvest.us is a source of information and should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we're taking a close look at the current stock market. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so please comment below and share your opinions. Also, don't forget to tell us your target for the ETF. If you enjoy our content, remember to like and subscribe. Our team wishes you successful trading and a wonderful day.